Don't scroll. Try this now. Gelling my eyebrows up. Foundation. Conceal underbrow. Yup, better blend that in. Conceal top brow. Blend. Contour.
Yes!
Yup. We contouring our nose. Snatched. Concealer. Blush. Eyeshadow. Doing my wing with hot pink eyeshadow. Shape up wing with concealer. Blend. Gonna add this rosy pink color to my crease. Love this. Putting more blush on. Highlighter. Grabbing more with a smaller brush. Hot. Go ahead, feel yourself. Mascara time. Dang. I'll use a spoolie.
Yes!
Mascara on top. Lip look. Concealer. Final results. Wow. Fire.